Are you looking for the best small 3D printer? In this video, we will look at some of the best small 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5 3D printer is a cutting-edge device designed for optimal printing performance. One of its standout features is the upgraded 500mm/s speed, powered by the innovative Power Boost 2.0. This technology ensures a smooth power output, increasing power release by 30% compared to its predecessor. The result is a doubling of printing speed and acceleration without compromising print quality. To unlock this enhanced speed, users can simply upgrade the AnkerMake slicer, firmware, and the AnkerMake app to the latest versions. Precision is a top priority for the AnkerMake M5, boasting a 0.1mm detail capability. This precision is achieved through a new ultra-direct extruder and an integrated die-cast aluminum alloy structure. Even when printing at high speeds, the printer maintains stability and quality, delivering accurate and detailed prints. Number 2. Toybox 3D Printer for Kids. Toybox 3D Printer for Kids is a revolutionary device designed specifically for young creators. It prioritizes a kid-friendly experience by incorporating simple one-touch functions, eliminating the need for adult assistance. Unlike traditional 3D printers, Toybox boasts an easily removable print bed, ensuring hassle-free operation for children. Filament loading is a breeze, and the innovative print bed design eliminates the need for a knife to remove prints, a safety-conscious feature. The printer opens up a world of creativity with its unlimited catalog of toys, offering thousands of options at the fingertips of young users. The Toybox catalog is regularly updated with new additions, providing a dynamic and ever-expanding selection of exciting toys for kids to print. Number 3. Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K Large LCD Resin 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K Large LCD Resin 3D printer boasts an impressive set of features that cater to both seasoned creators and newcomers in the 3D printing realm. The standout feature is its expansive 9.3 printing area, enabling users to produce larger quantities in a single batch or create imposing tabletop masterpieces like dragons or ogres. The 22cm Z-axis, supported by dual linear rails, not only facilitates the printing of tall objects, but also ensures stability, eliminating any wobbling during the printing process. Maintaining a commitment to high precision, the Sonic Mighty 4K doesn't compromise on resolution despite its large printing capability. Thanks to monochrome LCD printing technology, it can achieve speeds up to 4 times faster than traditional 3D printers, with rapid prototyping completing each layer in just seconds. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer offers a convenient and user-friendly experience with several notable features. One standout feature is its quick change nozzle, distinguishing it from other 3D printers that often require tools and significant time to replace the nozzle. With the Voxel, this process takes mere seconds and doesn't necessitate any tools. The printer's build plate is both heated and flexible, allowing for easy removal of printed models. Flexing the plate is all it takes to dislodge the model, and in case of damage, it's replaceable. This design also enables a swift transition to a new print by swapping in a second build plate immediately after completing a project. Furthermore, the build plate can be heated up to 60 degrees Celsius, offering versatility and material compatibility.